Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 1998 New Holland LX665 Turbo. Rubber tire skid steer loader. There is 1,536 hours on this machine, and I do believe they're right. There's nothing that really tells me different. I mean, this is a straight older machine. 4 new tires. I have a mate to this, is a John Deere 250 that had 2,000 hours on it from the same home, and it is in very nice shape. The guy took very good care of his equipment. The boom is not welded or busted. There was a company name here that we just took the decal off, but nothing's welded, plated, busted. The thing I always looked at on New Hollands, like these fenders would always be twisted and bent up. Inside the chain cases, they were always just skint. There were some scratches, but nothing's dinged or dented. We've done a full service on it. Engine oil, filters, everything. Can't find anything wrong with it. Not a new machine, but it seems to be in pretty good shape. Come on back here, we'll show you the inch compartment. Usually these rear door louvers are all beat in and bent up. This one's not. Back door still opens pretty good. The top engine covers, I've seen a lot of these. Boy, we did a good job greasing that, greasing my elbow. This one has a dent there, but a lot of them I've seen are all smashed up. Engine is good and clean. This is the N844T, which is a turbocharged model. We did change engine oil, fuel filters, hydraulic. Starch runs good. There's no abnormal smoke, blow by, anything like that. Battery's good, but again, we can't find anything real wrong with it. Radiator, typical on these, you'll see them, just the little fins get dinged, but the radiator's no leaks or anything like that. None of the linkage arms have any welds or breaks on them. Typical on a New Holland that was abused, you'll see these back corners busted out. This machine is not that way whatsoever. Again, you can see this side here, fender straight as an arrow, just like the other side. Side chain cases are nice, side sheet metal. 10-16-5 tires, all 4 match. Does have a factory New Holland long bottom, smooth edge bucket with it. Standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach with auxiliary hydraulic. There was a mount that they welded on here. It was for a plug, basically, to run an attachment, such as I think it had an electrical device on it for like a tree spade or a bale grabber, because what they done was a tree farm. There was also some concrete spatter on the front. I had no idea how they got that on there, if they did something for themselves, an expansion project or something, and done it. But there is concrete spatter there on the front and in the bucket. So we're going to head inside here real quick. I'll show you inside the cab. Cab itself is good and square. Seat is excellent. Foot controls, standard foot controls machine. Auxiliary hydraulics. We'll take care. Oh, seatbelt. All the safety stuff there works. Engine does charge. 1536. Tachometer works. 13.8. Hope everybody can see that. Run through that again. 1536 on the hours. Tachometer works. And charges. Headlights all work. There's your service run switch. But a pretty straight older machine, it really is. We'll turn the camera back over. I'm gonna fire it up, run around, and show you how everything works. can see there from the video, machine starts, runs, works good. No abnormal issues that I see. Again, it is tight and it does have excellent hydraulic pressure. You can see it curls the bucket back good. Controls are responsive in the pile there, it's spinning the tires good, but everything works. So remember, an LX665 was a direct replacement for an LS170. There is no difference in a 170. Later series 170s, like they changed the, I believe the knob on the throttle and a couple odds and ends things, but you know, the essential machine itself is the same. And the back door changed on a 170. It was a little more rounded in the later years. So, but a very, very nice old original machine, but you know, pre-admissions, not much computer garbage, you know, everything. It just has the basic dash in it. These are a very reliable machine. A lot of guys in the farm industry love these machines. But here's something that's nice and clean. It's not welded and busted. Check it out. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at MarkSupply88. Remember, it's well greased. Again, you need a freight quote, let us know. Want to come check it out yourself in person, you're more than welcome to do so. I have nothing to hide. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. We can be reached 814-658-3066. As always, have a great day.